In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a custom Facebook feed like this on your WordPress website. To do that, we'll be using the Smashballoon Facebook Feed Pro plugin. I'll be demonstrating using the Pro version of the plugin, but you can check out the free version with less features through the WordPress repository. To get started, head over to smashballoon.com and purchase Facebook Feed Pro. Once purchased, you can find your download link and license key for the plugin inside your Smashballoon account. Download Facebook Feed Pro and head over to your WordPress dashboard. Now, inside your WordPress dashboard, on the left-hand side, hover over Plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Next, at the top, click Upload Plugin and upload the zip file for Facebook Feed Pro. After that, click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate Plugin. And there we go, Facebook Feed Pro has now been installed and activated. Before we can create our Facebook feed, we'll first have to activate the license key for the plugin. On the left-hand side, you'll now notice Facebook Feed. Hover over it like this and click on Settings. On this menu, beside License Key, you can paste a license key from your Smashballoon account. After that, click Activate. Now you can see that our license key has been activated. We can begin creating our custom Facebook feed. On the left-hand side, under Facebook Feed once again, click on All Feeds. Next, at the top, click Add New to get started. With Facebook Feed Pro, you can create several different feed types. You can create a feed of posts from your Facebook timeline, a feed of photos from your Facebook page, a feed of videos from your Facebook page, and more. For this video, let's continue with the Facebook timeline option. That's already selected for us, so we can click Next. And for the next step, we'll have to add a source for our Facebook feed. Click Add New. Then on the right-hand side, we can click on Connect to Facebook. And if you're already logged into your Facebook account, you'll see this pop up here. Next, we can go click on Edit Access. Here, you'll see all the different Facebook pages that you have access to on your Facebook account. We want to make sure that the account we want to display inside our Facebook feed is all toggled on the right-hand side. Once that's done, we can close this and click on Continue. Now, back inside the plugin, you should see all the Facebook pages that you've connected with Smashballoon. Select the one you want to display, like this, and click Add. Now you can see that page added as a source. We can select it and click Next. On this page, we can select a design for our Facebook feed. We have options like the default, modern, social wall, outline, and overlap. For this video, let's go with the modern theme. We can select it and click Next. And for the very final step of creating our Facebook feed, we'll have to select a template for the layout of the feed. You can choose from options like the default, simple masonry, widget, and more. For this video, let's go with the simple masonry option. We can select it and click Next. And just like that, we have a live preview of our new Facebook feed inside the plugin. The feed is displaying the latest post from the account we connected as a source, and inside each post, you can see the account name, profile picture, the caption for that post, and any photos or videos if they're available. And at the bottom of the post, you can see the reactions, number of comments, number of shares, and a button to share the post or view it on Facebook. The feed is now ready to be embedded inside your WordPress webpage, but before I show you how to do that, let me show you how we can customize the feed. On the left-hand side, under the Customize tab, go into Feed Layout. Inside this menu, you have several options to modify the layout of your Facebook feed. At the top, we have 3 different layouts you can choose from. Currently, we have the Masonry layout selected, which displays your posts in rows and columns. Above that is a List layout that displays your posts in a single column list. And lastly, we have the Carousel layout, which allows site visitors to swipe through the posts inside your feed like this. For this video, let's continue with the Masonry layout. And if you scroll down, you can choose how many posts you want to display inside the feed initially. Currently on desktop, you can see that we have 9 posts inside our feed. But if you want to modify that, you can simply change it like this. For example, let's enter 4 posts, and our feed will automatically update to display 4 posts. You can see now inside the live preview, we have 4 posts. I'm going to change that back to 9. Next, at the bottom, you can also choose how many columns you want inside your feed. Currently, we're displaying 3 columns, which you can see inside the preview. But if you want to modify that, just select the number of columns you want to display. For example, let's go with 2. Now you can see that we have 2 columns of Facebook posts inside our feed. I'm going to change that back to 3. And if you're happy with the layout of your Facebook feed, make sure to click Save on the top right corner. Next, let me show you how we can add a header to the top of this feed. Under the Customize tab, go into Header. You can see currently that the header is disabled. To enable it, we can toggle it on, and you can instantly see a preview of our new header inside the feed. This header is the visual header type. This one includes your profile picture, the page name, number of likes, the page description, and the page cover photo on top. Alternatively, you can go with the text header type, which includes a simple customizable text header which you can modify at the bottom here. You can change it to anything you like, for example, our latest posts. But for this demonstration, let's go with the visual header type. Once that's done, we can click Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want to modify the different elements inside each post, under the Customize tab, go into Posts. Next, click on Edit Individual Elements. On this menu, you can see all the different elements inside each post on your feed. This includes the post author, post text, date, and more. Each of these elements can be customized and enabled or disabled if you'd like to. For example, if I wanted to hide the post author, we can deselect it, and you can see right away it's disappeared from the top of our posts. I'm going to bring that back. And you can do the same thing with the post text, photos and videos, likes, shares, and comments, and more. I'm going to bring all of them back. And if you make any changes, make sure to click Save on the top right corner. Lastly, if you want control to moderate the content inside your Facebook feed, go into the Settings tab and click on Filters. Here, you can choose to display posts by page owner and visitors, or just visitors. I'm going to keep it on page owner. Next, we can choose to show all our Facebook page posts, or only specific posts. Underneath that, you can also add words as filters, so that your feed only displays or hides posts containing those words. Lastly, at the bottom, you can also add a date range to only display posts from a specific date range. With these filtering and moderation options, you have complete control over the content inside your Facebook feed. And if you make any changes, click Save on the top right corner. And now that you know how to create and customize your Facebook feed, let me show you how we can embed it inside your WordPress web page. To embed it, click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, then click on Add to a page. Next, select the page you want to add your feed to, then click Add. Now inside our WordPress web page, we have two different options to embed our Facebook feed. The first option is by using a shortcode block and pasting the shortcode that we copied earlier, just like this. Alternatively, if using Block Editor, you can use our dedicated Facebook feed block. That's this one here. After we add that block, we can select our Facebook feed from this dropdown. This is the one we've created, so I'm going to select it, and you can see an instant preview pop up inside our WordPress webpage. We can now save our changes and check it out on the live WordPress webpage. And here we are now on our live WordPress webpage, and right in the middle is our brand new custom Facebook feed. The feed is displaying the latest post from the Facebook page that we connected, which is the Smash Balloon page, and it comes complete with the header and the posts underneath. The header includes the profile picture, Facebook page name, the cover photo, and the number of likes too. And inside the feed, we have our latest posts. The posts include both the caption and the photo or video content inside that post. Underneath the post, you can also see the number of reactions, comments, and shares. And if I scroll down to the bottom, we also have a Load More button. If I click on that, that will load additional posts inside your feed directly on your WordPress website. But you might be wondering if we can embed a custom Facebook feed inside your footer or sidebar. We definitely can. Let me show you how. Here we are back inside the plugin, and I've created a second Facebook feed for the sidebar of our website. To embed this inside the sidebar, just click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, and instead of clicking on Add to a page, we can click on Add to a widget, and this will take you inside the WordPress widgets menu. To embed your Facebook feed inside the sidebar, you have the same two options as before. We can either add a shortcode block and paste the shortcode we copied, or we can use our dedicated Facebook feed block like this. Next, we can select the Facebook feed we want to embed, which is this one here, and just like that, we can see a live preview of our new Facebook feed, which is now inside the sidebar widget. We can click on Update and check out what it looks like on the live web page. And once again, we're back on our live WordPress web page, and right in the middle, we have that Facebook feed we created earlier in the masonry layout. But now on the right-hand side, you'll notice we have a second Facebook feed, but this time inside the sidebar. This one is in a carousel layout, but now on the right-hand side, we can see a second Facebook feed inside the sidebar. And this one is just as fast and responsive as the first one we created. So you now know how to create and embed a custom Facebook feed inside your WordPress web page, both inside your page and as a widget on the sidebar as well. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you experience any technical issues, please contact our awesome support team. They'd be happy to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn about social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.